Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala expects you to consider this deen as the truth, such that you want to take it to every household and every corner of the earth. Everybody on God's green earth needs Islam. And so we're not supposed to just sit at home, or sometimes what we have the American dream, where you think, okay, the first thing I have to do, I got to finish high school, and then I move on and I go to college and I pick my major, and then I get in debt, and then I go and I get my job and I get my house and I get married. Where's the dawah? Where's dawah fit into that? That's not the pipeline of a believer. That's not the conveyor belt of a believer. Why did Allah put you in a place where the vast majority of people are not Muslim? Why did Allah do that? So that you could just like hide out? So that you could try to act like everybody else, be like everybody else? No, Allah put you here to change things. He put you here to do dawah.